Hello viewers, this is Omar from Texperience, and today we are gonna unbox the D-Link DIR-819 wireless AC750 dual band router. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future updates. So let's begin. So at first we'll see what we have on the box. I mean to say written on the box actually. So here you can see that it supports up to 650 Mbps of speed. It's a dual band router. It has a high range, that means it's going to cover more area, and it also has fast Ethernet ports. That means you are going to have faster speeds if you connect it through the LAN cable. And it also provides you 3 years of warranty. And on the side we can see the router and the other features that it has, so I won't be going into details about it. And there is, at the back you can see there is nothing else actually, just the basic information about the router. So now we're going to unbox it. This is what you get in the box. So this is the configuration card. These are other information. This is the warranty and safety information. So I'll keep it aside. This is the quick installation guide. So now here comes the main thing. So as you can see, this is the D-Link DIR-819 AC750 wireless router, and wow, they just managed to make it smaller. As you can see, it just fits in my hand like this, and it has got 3 antennas. So I'm just gonna unpack it. So as you can see, wow, this looks really good. This plastic actually, it looks ugly, so I'll just take it out. Wow, so as you can see, this is actually really nice. A nice looking router, D-Link DIR-819, and there are the lights. As you can see, this is the power light, this is the Wi-Fi signals, this is whether you have the internet connection or not, and this is the reset light. So at the back, what do we have? Let's see. At the back, as you can see, we have the power button. This is really useful. This is the power adapter port over here, and this is where you plug in the cable that is provided by the internet service provider, your ISP. And over here, if you want to connect your PC or laptop or any other device through the LAN cable, so you connect those cables in these ports. So there are 4 ports. This is a bit thick, as you can see. It's not so slim router, it's thicker. It's thicker than other routers. I hope the service is also good. So this is the router. I keep it aside. And what else we get? We get a power adapter. As usual, they give us a nice looking LAN cable. In most cases, it is actually useless because you need longer cables to connect your PC or laptop. So the short cables actually, they don't work because you keep your router somewhere and you have to use a laptop or PC from some other room. So actually, but you can keep it, for some other reason, sometime for testing the router or using for some other stuff. So this is the unboxing. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And also, again, I want to say that please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future updates. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to configure this router. Till then, bye-bye.